Well, here we are again.
Yeah.
Back at our bungalow makeover. And this video is going to be all about the gallery wall.
Yeah, we're excited to show you this one. It turned out amazing.
It really did. Welcome to Emily and Laura. I'm Emily.
And I'm Laura. If you didn't see our last two videos, please go back and check those out. We have one that shows the display boards of everything that we planned for this space. And then we have the entry, and now we're on the gallery wall.
Please like and subscribe. Your support really, truly means the world to us. So we like to continue doing this, and we can with your support. The couple needed some extra storage, so we added this console table, buffet, sideboard, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, these bungalow houses, no storage. So we got this console piece from Amazon. It's boxed furniture. We put it all together. And what we like to do is go through and stain where the laminate pieces come together, or the veneer pieces come together. You will always see this, like you can see on this door right here, this white line, and that's where the two edges don't meet exactly, the two wood edges, and we come in and stain those with pens like this. We get these pens at Home Depot, and they come in many different stain colors. So I just get a paper towel, and then the stain pen, and go along this white line. And you can see while I'm doing it that this white line is just disappearing.
They come from a family of artists and they travel a lot.
Yeah, so they have some really talented family members and friends.
Yes.
And that's really where their art mainly comes from, and then a little bit of their travels as well. We just kind of picked through and created this gallery wall, and you can see that it's somewhat monochromatic and has just little pops of color.
Yes.
So in our last video, the entry video, we talked about the wainscoting that we added to this space. And the wainscoting was interrupted by a hall entrance. So what we did is we just continued that same pattern and then dyed it into this little short wall back here, and then started off with our gallery wall right here with this photograph.
Yes, and we just continued that down. We added a really pretty vase to give that more pop of color with the greenery and the flowers. This does not receive a lot of light naturally, so you have to go faux. That's just how it is.
Yeah, weird.
So there we go. And that filled in the space, added some color, and gave it some more texture and 3D.
So that's something really cool to do with gallery walls, is if you can have things that are coming off the wall, if you have something like that, or you can also use other forms of art. We have a video from the past that's an apartment video, and we actually put a mask that person had made in their gallery wall.
That was really cool.
And that was very cool, so go see that too.
Yes.
So we did that right here with this. This was just a spare frame that they had floating around, didn't really have any real purpose. And as we said in our last video, we had a really tight budget, so we had to get kind of creative. And so we just kind of put this flower in there, so it made it look like it was coming out to get that dimension, that 3D kind of feeling.
And to go along with the 3D, we added a lamp that just was mounted to the wall and plugs in. It is our favorite.
So this thing is so cool. We knew what we wanted. We just didn't know who made one.
Yeah.
And we wanted a very long sconce that we could just plug in, because we can't really get any electric in here. Yeah. And voila, we found this on Amazon. And it is the coolest.
It's so cool.
light.
Look at this. You just flip this little switch here, and
There
it
you
just
go.
turns on.
Yeah.
So easy to access. It's not like some weird cord with some weird thing hanging on.
No.
It is just like push of a button, done and done.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah.
And it gives this whole corner the light that it needs.
Yes, it really did. It's a huge
LED,
difference.
everything.
Yeah, it is LED, that's right. And the bulbs come with the fixture when you buy it. And we'll have all of these linked down below, so you can go and see them. But one of the things that we loved so much was the conduit that just plugged right in.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
hit that cord.
And then we just really wanted to capture this beautiful picture that they had, that they obsessed over themselves. So we felt like it needed its own space. So we definitely kind of made this the focal point here and added a plant. just to soften it up.
Yeah, it kind of filled in that height. We have
Yeah.
to be really careful about what we put there because it is a travel space to get to other rooms. And so we couldn't really have anything that obstructed that space too much.
And again, with our budget, we probably would just go with a really nice faux yucca or something.
Yeah.
But it didn't allow for that. So we just improvised for now. The homeowners will soon figure out when this dies that they should just invest in a yucca.
Yeah, well, they travel a lot, so I'm
Yeah.
not so sure live plants is
Exactly,
really a good idea for them.
exactly.
And as much as we love them and, you know, we're big proponents of them, sometimes you just can't do that. You have to design for people's lifestyles, and that's what we're all about.
Yes, absolutely.
So that was reveal number 2, our gallery wall. And so next is going to be a big one. It's actually going to be a living room space.
Yes.
So come back and see the next one.
Yes. This is a part of a series. There's even 1 or 2 more later, so just stay tuned.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for supporting us, and please like and subscribe. And all the links will be down below.
Yeah.
We got you covered.
Yeah, go down, buy that light.
Thank you.
All right, guys, thank you.